Gamepass allows you to charge your Robux and allows players to access special privileges within gaming experience like entry to restricted areas, experience avatar item, super speed or strength, or even permanent power up. It's just very interesting. But how to make a Game Pass in Roblox? Let's check out. So this is quite a straightforward process, and let's begin. Just go open roblox.com on your browser and click on the create button from the top. Now you will be in the creator hub. You can also come directly to this page by typing creator.roblox.com. On top left, go to dashboard and then check experiences. Here is one by default. Open it up and you can see a couple of options at the left. Amongst them, choose associated items and then choose passes. Click create a pass and here you can name the pass as you wish, its description and create a pass. And you will be able to see your pass right here. After opening your pass, you can edit it with multiple units as you like. And yes, that's how you can create and enjoy your Game Pass and enjoy so many activities that come within it. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos.